Greens, leafy green vegetables are very healthy, but cleaning part is difficult. Let's see how to make it easier. So here I have fresh microgreens from my backyard. There are no roots attached to it, but still there is some soil and mud to this. So what we are going to do is place it on a newspaper, very thin layer, one layer, and let it be there for about 1 hour. And when it gets a little bit dry, all the mud, soil will be on the paper. See this? And now when you're picking it up, you just pick up from the top, and so that way you don't collect that mud again with your leafy greens. So just lightly collect that leafy greens. So first part, you're just getting rid of some soil. Second part, we are putting it in the strainer, and this way you have to rinse it less time. That way you don't lose the nutrients while washing it too many times. So now I'm collecting it in the strainer and just do the strainer, so remaining all the mud, soil will come out. And it should be dry when after you put it on the paper. Once it gets dried, it's easier. So this way our second part is done. Now third part, you're going to put it in the water. So take water in a pot where this strainer will go in. So this, I'm keeping it like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm keeping this in the water and rinse it. And then final rinse you can do under the tap water, but this way you're doing it so you're getting rid of all the mud. And you can do this as many times as you feel until the water is clean, but this way you're soaking it for like few minutes and then rinsing it so all the mud comes out, and it's easier to clean like this. And if you want to store the greens, and after washing it, make sure you dry it on a paper towel. Dry it very nicely and then only store it, otherwise it will get rotten fast. I get it from the backyard, so I just like to use it right away. So do try this and enjoy your microgreens, greens, and have a blessed day.